Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And we're going to get right into today's video. And today's video is from a company called the Bookcase Club. And the Bookcase Club is obviously you receive books and you get hand-picked books each month. They are hardbound with nice jackets. And there are, I'm trying to think, 6 different categories that you can choose from. The first category is the Kids Bookcase Club, and you specify your child's age, and you receive 3 books. The second one is the Teenage Dreams case, and that's basically for young adults. You receive 2 books. The third one is the Thrill Seekers case, and that is a mystery and a thriller category, and you receive 2 books. The next one is the Strange Worlds case, and that is basically science fiction. You receive 2 books. The 5th one is Blind Date case, and that's basically a paranormal romance. You receive 2 books. And the last one is Booking for Love case, and that is romance novels, and you receive 2 books. I think this one is... Oh, the other important thing is you can change your theme each billing cycle, which I did for this box. Hopefully, it did get changed. I did it in plenty of time. And this monthly subscription is $9.99 a month plus $5 shipping for a total of $14.99 a month for 2 books, which is well worth it. We all know how much books cost. Comes in a nice box. And the books are always, wrapped up here. So let's open up here. And the first book that I received is Sandra Brown's Seeing Red. And this is a novel. And like I said, you always get really nice jackets. And this book, I don't know if this one... I would assume this retails for $27 in the U.S. It says it right there. You can see that. It gives you, just like a regular book. And the books are just a plain book with a really nice jacket. I'm not sure if they changed my... Yeah, I guess they did change it because the last couple that I received were, I guess, the thrill like the thrill type books, and I chose romance this time, and I think they did change it. And this is The Mentor, and this is by Lee Matthew Goldberg, and this is a thriller. So I'm confused. They were supposed to change it. Obviously they did not, so I'll have to look into that. So this is, and this book has a value of $25.99, and we all know books are expensive, and it's your standard book. And here, these are the 2 books. I love getting these every month. I love to read. I think this is my third or 4th month. I think it's the 3rd month that I've received this subscription, and I did cancel this so that I can I brought this to the channel as something a little different than always, beauty and lifestyle books. So this is more, obviously for, books. Try to switch it up, plants, books, different kinds of subscriptions. So I did go ahead and cancel this so that I can bring different boxes to the channel. So it's not always the same, subscriptions each month. I do have a few new ones coming. I think I have 2 or 3 new ones coming for February. So I might rejoin this maybe later in the year because I do enjoy this, but I wanted to keep it, to the, 10 or 12 subscriptions that I do and not have more than I can, publish on YouTube each month because I do put videos up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this is my box for the month of January, and this is January's box from the Bookcase Club with these 2 wonderful books. And I just wanted to tell you a quote that somebody else had posted on YouTube that I thought was very nice and meant a lot to me. It says subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And that could never be more true. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.